Good morning, guys, and welcome back up to the homestead. It is good to be back up here. We're not wasting any time. We're getting back to renovating the cabin. We have a few things that we have to do before we do that. We're gonna put the toy hauler away, load up the 4Runner with a few tools. Also, I don't even think we told you, right before we left for our Thanksgiving trip, the dryer went out again, guys. I don't really know. Anyways, I talked to a buddy of ours, Steve-O, and he deals with like washers and dryers and air conditioning and all that stuff. And he said, since it's so cold, it's probably condensation in the dryer getting inside and getting on the motherboard, and the motherboard is fried. So I just ordered a new one so I can put that in. Also, I ordered a propane space heater that I'm gonna be connecting to the propane tank over here, and that will be used to keep that solar room and the washer room warm. I thought the insulation would be enough, but I mean, it's like in the teens at night, so it's just way too cold. And it's just, when the dryer's on, it's causing condensation and then just getting everything wet and getting the wrong things wet anyway. So we're gonna replace that, and then I'm hoping that the motor will work. Even though I just replaced that, I feel like the computer's telling the motor not to work because it's bad. So I'm hoping the motor works, and then we'll be good to go with the heater and air and all that stuff, so that we're not having to buy anything else. But I can't wait to get that up and going. Now we're gonna be down for a few days. I ordered that thing. It's gonna be here in like a couple days. Hopefully after that's here, we'll be good to go. But anyways, we're gonna put this stuff away, head to the cabin, get to work. Hope you guys liked that last video of us dooning. It was a bunch of fun, a little different than what we normally do. It was a good time. Anyway, let's get this stuff going and head to the cabin. So we've been gone for about a week now, and while we were gone, it looks like Kurt came and dropped off a bunch of lumber. We decided to do 2x6 wall in the middle instead of 2x4, just because now that once we rip everything out, we'll be able to use a 2x6 wall instead of the 2x4. I think we have everything now to do the whole build out, all the walls, everything, so that's exciting. I think today we're going to build the other false walls on this side of the cabin, and then start ripping the ceiling out, ripping the roof, and then getting that 8-foot ceiling place. So let's get to work. Like this thing's gonna break down. Now that these things are here, like we literally can start like ripping these walls out like it's nothing. Like we're ready. Like I think I'm gonna add one more stud here and then do that side, and then we can start ripping stuff apart. That's exciting.
Yeah, it is. Let's go, Daddy.
Okay, all the bracing is up, sturdy.
On both sides?
Ish, yeah, everything is good. Like I've said 1,000 times, probably from right here over is going away. So in order to start cutting this out, we're gonna start removing the side walls of the cabins where they meet. This is all gonna come out, and that way I can start cutting off strips and then it just coming down I mean, that's our plan right now. We'll see how it goes.
As we go.
We'll adjust accordingly if we need to. Got the plan to rip all these out on both sides and then just start bringing down the roof.
Yeah.
PPE, safety is sexy.
Safety sexy. I say that to anyone that needs to wear their seatbelt.
All right, let's start breaking down some walls, yeah?
Go for it.
I got a sledgehammer, there it is.
Hey! These huge old rusty nails. Like, if you say that it's not scary, then it's not scary to me. But if it's scary to you, then it's scary to me.
Why is that?
I don't know. I'm just scared like the whole middle of the house is going to fall in.
No, so we got these reports. What's for?
I don't care. It's still... It looks like a lot. So there's like nothing there now. Like, that's just a hole.
Just a double top plate, which we're about to cut off. And then we can start cutting off the pieces of the roof. And with shingles and all, shingles and everything on top of there still.
Oh my goodness.
40. I have no idea what's up there. I imagine a lot of
Cobwebs.
cobwebs and
Dust.
rodent poop.
Oh, gross.
And who knows.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. The horror film. Yellow. One double plate down.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take this one off. This whole roof off. And then cut that one off and move that one.
Okay.
That looks like save energy, enjoy comfort, insulation.
this cabin was definitely super old. There's like these wood shingles. I didn't even know you could use wood for shingles. That's crazy to me. I always thought that it was like, I don't know, what are the cement tile things that they put on top? They're like ceramic.
Ceramic, yeah.
Yeah.
It's in the 40s, babe.
I guess so. It's crazy. All right, who's ready for room number dos? That guy is. That guy is definitely ready. He's already at it. Boom shakalaka. Oh my gosh, it's scary. It's so crazy. Ah!
All right, guys, well, we knocked down this entire ceiling. Pretty much we got to cut a little bit more off, but it's really cool. It's like taking shape right now. I love it. But since this was in the 40s, and this has been sitting for so long, there's a lot of dust and debris in my throat right now. So we're gonna clean up and call it a day. We'll finish the other side tomorrow probably. But this is where we're gonna leave you guys. This is gonna be the end of this video. What are you trying to say?
Nothing. Please like, comment, subscribe. Come along on our journey.
Why are you dancing?
Because I'm always dancing. It's fun. Makes you feel good on the inside. Chicka chicka boom boom. No?
Oh my God.